back guys to the newest episode of Auto Vibe, and today I am here at Hiranandani Powai, and I am here to have a look at a very typical, very specific scooter which belongs to my friend Aniket Shirkar, and I have already shot a video with his bike 1 year back, and it was a Java, the black and chrome Java. So today I am here to have a look at his another vehicle, which is a scooter, which is a very typical brand of scooter which you might have guessed it already. So let us go, let us have a word with him, let us know what this scooter is all about.
This is my Vijai Super. I got it around 6 months back, and she is a lovely scooter. As you can see, the tin work, the metal work is a little shabby, but then she runs like a dream. It is also called as the Lambretta GP150 in the international market, and this was originally manufactured by Scooters India Limited in India. They also manufactured two variants of it. This is the 150cc one and a 200cc, which was meant only for exports. So here it is. This is a third vehicle that I own, and it's just lovely to take her out, ride her and enjoy her on Sundays.